Yo, so namin dire no para mag-go frisbee pero murag di gud mi kaduwa ane kay naay entrance sa Pikas. As you can see, oh, di ba?
Diba? With banner
Diba? Sin, anong masasabi mo? Nadita kaduwa. Uy,
Anak!
Day 2.
So second day of intro now here at Grandstand. So sa problema na to rin.
So, wala tayo right. Kaya actually, girant man gusto taga STI ang tibok Grandstand, I think. Unya, ang HSS, gajis-jis. But ang big jis diri, no?
Mas sila kibaw bitaw. Low budget.
Low budget kayo, HSS.
Kosa asam da karon.
Oo lang. Pero guys, makaduwa man ta. Pero ano yan sa Pikas
Oh, Pikas
Field.
Field, dyan ta.
Pero
Baka
dangerous
ba-
ang hazardous siya. Because kag mga buslot-buslot. So, basi matapilok.
Yo! What's up, vlog?
What's up? Good morning!
What's up, vlog? So,
We're here at
nami dire. So, dili
CPG Complex.
Among gi-take over ang vlog ni Ray.
So, hi guys.
Yo, Ray!
Yo, Ray!
Yo,
So,
HSS people!
here are some RCY
So-
peeps here.
Yo, vlog! Wala, Jud.
Wala kayo masabi.
Gamit kayo, STI. Oh, gamit kayo.
Like,
So, nami dire sa akuan. Yo, say hi to the vlog! Hi, vlog! Hi, vlog! Thank you! Hi, Ray! Yo! So, mo to siya ang mga taga-HSC, okay?
Meanwhile.
oh, yo, guys. So, we're here. So, magduwa may frisbee.
Leona, say hi to the vlog! Leona! Hi to the vlog!
Hi Ray! Shout out to Jai!
Yo! Yo! So, dili ka duwag frisbee. So, akong gi-take over ang vlog ni Ray. Nga, maghimo ko akong vlog. So, i-follow ko ninyo sa akong own vlog.
Sipan.
Wala ra.
We're now going to Tip Tip Court to watch basketball game. Nice kahan. So we're right here at basketball court, Tip Tip. We have this game between SJF and Saj.
Few moments later.
We'll go to
Grandstand!
Grandstand for
Frisbee!
Frisbee. Yeah.
Track and field!
Track and field. Oh. Okay, so let's drive.
Meanwhile.
Okay. Hi. Oh my god, ang wings. Hello wings. Mga pihik mo.
12 seconds later.
I'll play Frisbee again. Okay. Yeah. Oh, Now we're going to Macdo, yeah, with DJ Bompat. DJ Bompat. You remember in my second episode in vlog? The DJ on that him. Hey bro.
Hi.
Yeah. And this is Gamas right here. Yeah. We're here at McDonald's, so we're gonna order our lunch. Yeah. Ta. Okay, we're going back to the campus. Going back to our school. Check if what? Yes. So back at the school to check if Zumba is required. Yeah.
Always.
Now here at Dok. Well, Musay mo dua Dok. Ha? Oh, sige.
Okay kayo.
Kay Kuban. Oh.
Dua ba?
Oh.
Kila kapuyan?
Kapoy yun.
Kapoy kayo?
Di ka daw Dok.
Third na lang eh.
Third Dok.
Kare, wa yung dua.
Ikaw, Choy.
Ay!
Hoy. Ay, oh, sa daog mo? Pilde. Daog mo pilde.
Ay, padol ka na.
Oh, sige.
Saan?
Daog mo pilde.
Daog ta, pilde.
Ikaw interview.
Pilde.
Pilde mo naman. Pwede ka musod.
Ako mo, ay wala.
Oh, lisod mga daog, damo.
Ako mo duwa kay
Kay?
uwa, kus mga tao lagi.
Wala si babe. Sorry. Oh,
Sige, si Shano.
Diyan yun, grabe siya. No?
Siyempre.
Saan? Ha? Nadawag mo siya ba?
Oh, daw may
Dawag
fight
mo?
for
Yung saan, tuloy mo siya. Pero nadawag mo.
Oh, nagod yun. It's basa sa team.
Sa basa. Teamwork, you know? Nagdala, teamwork. Grabe siya. Grabe siya siya. Okay.
Later. Later.
So, asa pa doon karon lo? Swimming pool to swim for intrams. Intrams. Oh, daghan kayo na langoy no.
Later.
ASEAN Summit 2017. So that convoy was for ASEAN Summit held in Iran Resort. Yeah. Kulbahan guys, wah. Hey,
Taon lang sa shawarma.
ikaw ina.
Hindi ko dancer.
Kulbahan nyo wah. Kulbahan ka wah.
Wala.
Guys,
Dancer siya.
baka makulbahan.
He's the vice president of the band
Kurbaan ka na rin, hindi mo pagkawas si mong kilba.
Ito man.
and last year of junior high school teacher and teaching special program.
It's my best.
Yeah, we're best friends.
Yeah, best friend.
In Holy Spirit School.
Yeah, same.
He has many friends in grace.
Yeah, same.
But I'm his best friend in Holy Spirit. In Holy Spirit. In Holy Spirit.
Since grade 11, we're best friends.
Yes.
A few moments later.
Wow! Isa na cherry? Ha?
Bayas!
Pares matag, be.
Kasi ninyo mo ha? Mayo! Hi!
Yeah.
Babe. Babe.
Eh, okay, babe na nakuyam. Nakuyam.
Si babe, si babe.
More than 5 tao yan sa uno.
Uyab, uyab, ito na rin. Okay, date.